welcome to KO tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started with the modeling of this particular game environment over here. So what I'll be doing over here, let's take a rectangle over here. Let's create a rectangle, convert to editable spline. I'll just make a copy of it, select the vertices and let's give a bit of fillet to it, and let's go into the modifier and let's give extrude. So I'll just add a bit of extrude to it, I'll just slightly rotate it and I'll just place it in this way. So let's convert to editable poly, select the polygons and I'll add a bit of inset to it and slightly I can extrude a bit and let's click OK. Now let's go to the top. I cannot see much details over here, but we'll create something over here. So let's just take an auto grid and I'll just push this up. So convert to editable poly, let's go into the modeling. We do have something different over here. So instead of that, what I'll do is I'll just take a line in this way. Let's go into this. Let's take a bit of fillet and let's slightly just place it in this way and let's duplicate it and let's delete it. I'll just take a line right from the top view. Let's just shuffle it up, drag it up in this way, push it over here. Again I'll make a copy of it, press shift and drag. Again I'll make a copy. So we can make multiple copies in this way if required. it's taking too long time, I don't know. Now let's take a box over here. So first we'll go with this side. Let's create a box, drag it up. This is going to go very high. Convert to editable poly. I'll just delete it. Let's go into this. Let's take a swift loop. I'll just slightly push this down. Select this polygons and let's extrude a bit. Again take one more swift loop. Now let's again select this and let's slightly extrude it a bit out. So over here we can just create a kind of a glass stuff. So let's go into this, convert to poly, select the vertices, drag it up, select the vertices. So this will be a kind of a glass over here. Now let's go over here. I can just select this and I'll create one more building over here. So we can just create this later if required. We'll put some proper camera angle as well over here. So this is going to be a bit wide. Slightly we can just scale it. Select this. So let's take an arc if required. So I'll just go over here. Okay, this is too high. I think this is correct position over here. I can just add an arc in this way. So we can just add an arc over here. Again I'll go on to the top and I'll take a line. Okay, you can slightly just push this up in this way and end it here. So go into this view and you can just adjust this. So let's select this, convert to editable spline, and let's attach it with this fuse vertices, weld vertices, fuse vertices, weld vertices, and let's give an extrude modifier. So I can just add an extrude modifier over here in this way. If you want, you can shuffle it up a bit as well if needed, in this way. Now, if you want to add more details, we can add more details to it. If required. Alright, or else if you want to bring it more closer, you can bring it more closer as well. Alright, so we'll just keep it over here. So guys, if any doubts, please put it in the comment section over here. So please like and subscribe my YouTube channel if you're not subscribed yet. So we'll continue the rest of the part